is my basket. You can see here. Whoa, it's so exciting to open, right? Are you excited to open? Yes? Let's go! Come on. Whoa, that's so heavy. Whoa, so many games and quizzes. These are so cool. These are templates, I think. I was in my school. You can see over here. Like this. Okay. Whoa, it's a big template. And you can see we have so many quizzes. So many templates also. Also see the book. We have our mathematical book. Also you can read it. We have so many QR codes. Whoa, they're so cool. Let's scan and see. We can play some games like we can play this later. And let's see about this. Whoa. It's like 10 seconds game activity. You can see. Also see that we have one more template there. See? And this is the block subtraction. It's a big. We have block addition also in back. Block addition. And let's play this after. My day, we can see here. My day. Also we have 100 stars. It's so exciting to play this. And we can keep it here. Oh my gosh, I love this concept. This is how many to make it. See. Whoa, it's so big. And see, measuring an object. You can see over here back. It's so exciting to open. Whoa, it's so big. And this is the number of the day. You can see over here. I'm already done with home. Let's keep it later. I'm already done with this. I don't know how to edit it. Whoa. It's also measuring. It's so cool. Whoa, these are 100 blocks. Whoa, it's so good. We do some. Whoa. See? How are they? Whoa, there's shapes of triangle like this. See? We have so many shapes over here, different of shapes, also different colors. Wow. See, this is a square and this is a triangle. This is also a triangle. This is a diamond. These are also a triangle. We can see here we have numbers. Numbers like also addition. I'll get them out. We have so many of these. We can play number building also with these. We can play this later. We can put it here. Oh gosh, it's so cool. Also these are 10 blocks. You can see. Also there's one more 10 blocks. The jumbo blast. It's so exciting to see this box. Whoa. We can make some numbers with this. Whoa, we have some dice. 2 dice, red and blue. Oh, yes. These are games. Oh, nothing. These are the games. Wow. Whoa, you can see these are the games you can play. Wow, it's so cool. And we missed one. Wow, these are nothing like it. These are like one box, right? Whoa. You can put it here. Wait a minute, I saw something. Whoa, wow, Ludo coins. There are 3 coins. Red, green, and yellow. These are the buildings, I think, right? See building. There's my name over here. Lishwan, one grade. I'm in grade 2 now.